Welcome to today's journey into one of the world's most haunted places. If you're fascinated by ghost stories, ancient curses, and the mysteries of the supernatural, you're in the right place. Today, we dive into the bloody history of Leap Castle, explore its terrifying hauntings, and especially meet its most feared inhabitant, the Elemental. Number 1. The history of Leap Castle, blood written in stone. Leap Castle, located in County Offaly, Ireland, dates back to the late 13th or early 14th century. It was originally built by the powerful O'Bannon clan. According to legend, the name Leap comes from a grisly contest where two brothers leapt off a rock to their deaths to determine who would lead their people. Throughout the centuries, Leap Castle was the site of clan warfare, betrayal, and murder. One of its darkest chapters unfolded in the 16th century when the O'Carroll clan, notorious for their brutality, seized control. Family members killed each other over power, turning the castle into a literal bloodbath. Number 2. The Bloody Chapel, scene of unthinkable horror. One of the castle's most infamous locations is the Bloody Chapel. Here, in a shocking act of treachery, Tige O'Carroll murdered his brother, a priest, during Mass, plunging a sword into him at the altar itself. Visitors often report a heavy, suffocating atmosphere inside the chapel, a presence that seems to weigh down on the living. Number 3. Discovery of the dungeon, a chilling secret. In the early 1900s, workers renovating Leap Castle made a horrifying discovery. They uncovered a hidden oubliette, a dungeon designed for slow, agonizing death. It was filled with human remains, stacked several feet deep, pierced by wooden spikes at the bottom. It's estimated that over 150 bodies were found. Many believe the spirits of these tormented souls still roam the castle today, unable to find peace. Number 4. The Elemental, Leap Castle's most terrifying resident. But among all these spirits, one entity strikes particular fear into the hearts of visitors and investigators, the Elemental. Described as a small, hunched figure, the Elemental emits an unbearable stench of rotting flesh and has been known to materialize in a swirling mist. Its glowing, decayed eyes pierce through the darkness. Unlike traditional spirits, the Elemental is not human. Some believe it was summoned by ancient druids, long before Leap Castle was even built. Others claim it's the product of dark rituals performed by the castle's bloody owners. One legend even suggests that the Elemental is a manifestation of the violence and horror embedded in the castle's very stones. Witnesses often report being overwhelmed by fear, nausea, and a suffocating sense of dread even before the creature appears. Its presence is regarded as a bad omen, foretelling death or disaster. Number 5. Famous sightings of the Elemental. One of the first documented encounters with the Elemental came from Mildred Darby, a former resident of Leap Castle in the early 1900s. She described it as a decaying human figure with a terrible smell that filled the entire room. In modern times, paranormal investigators have reported camera malfunctions, sudden scratches appearing on skin, and even terrifying apparitions during their time inside Leap Castle. Recommendations: where to stay near Leap Castle. Planning a visit to Leap Castle? Here are 5 fantastic places nearby where you can stay, just in case you need a comforting bed after a night of ghost hunting. County Arms Hotel, Bear. Located about 20 minutes from Leap Castle, the County Arms Hotel offers cozy, elegant rooms, a relaxing spa, and a friendly Irish welcome. Perfect for unwinding after a spooky adventure. Dooley's Hotel, Bear. Dooley's Hotel is steeped in its own history, dating back to the 18th century. With charming old-world decor and modern comforts, it's a fantastic stay for lovers of both history and hauntings. Kennedy Castle Hotel. Feel like royalty or perhaps a ghost hunter at Kennedy Castle Hotel. About a 30-minute drive from Leap Castle, this Gothic castle hotel offers lavish rooms, stunning grounds, and even ghost tours of its own. Emmett House, Bear. A cozy, budget-friendly option, Emmett House provides warm hospitality, hearty breakfasts, and a great base to explore County Offaly and its haunted treasures. Ardmore Country House. Set in a peaceful countryside location, Ardmore Country House offers charming bed-and-breakfast accommodations with beautiful views. The perfect place to reflect on your Leap Castle experience. Is Leap Castle truly haunted? The legends of Leap Castle, and especially the terrifying elemental, have stood the test of time. Whether you believe in the paranormal or not, there's no denying the chilling atmosphere, the blood-soaked history, and the countless eyewitness accounts that have built its fearsome reputation. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this exploration into Leap Castle and its terrifying elemental, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more haunted history. Where should we venture next? Let us know in the comments below.